Here we have our next worksheet in our theme unit on sound. It's called, How Do Humans Hear Sounds? Well, inside each ear, we have an eardrum. When a sound hits the eardrum, it vibrates. This sends a message to our brain, and we know we heard a sound. Here in the picture below, sound travels from the horn to the eardrum. In the picture, color the eardrum blue. Well, they're not blue in real life, but here's the eardrum right here. So we'll color that blue. It says, draw a red arrow from the horn to the eardrum. Here's my red. I'll draw this red arrow going into the ear. Into the eardrum. Color the brain pink. Here's our brain, which is actually kind of more of a gray color in real life. Not really green like the cartoons. Some parts of our brain can be a bit pinkish, I guess. Draw a green arrow from the eardrum to the brain. And I'll use my fancy gold crayon and just color in the trumpet here. So what we have is the sound that's made by the trumpet goes into our ear, travels through our ear canal, and to our eardrum. And our eardrum then sends that message to the brain, where our brain unscrambles the sound and tells us, hey, you're listening to a trumpet, to a horn. That's how sound works with our brain.